Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another exciting stitch in store for you to keep in theme with the hot days ahead of us. I've decided to teach you guys how to do the mesh stitch. I think this is a great summer stitch. It's perfect for like summer scarves, summer cover-ups. You could do like a sweater, I guess, even like a summer sweater or a kimono or something to wear over the swimsuit when you go to the pool. Very airy, very loose. If you're making something like a pool cover-up, I would probably use like 100% cotton. But for this demonstration purposes, I just have a ball of, I think it's like hot pink or magenta or something from Big Twist. I can't remember the name of it. So let's go ahead and grab our hook and our yarn and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to grab this other shade of pink I have on my desk here. It's a real easy pattern. The stitches that you'll need to know how to do are how to make chain stitches, double crochet, and optionally you can use the stack single crochet. If you don't know how to do that, I will demonstrate in this video how to do that. Or you can alternate or take the place of rather the stacked single crochet with just some chain stitches, but I will get more into that in a moment. So to start with, we're going to pop a slip knot onto our hook, and to start with you want to chain an even number of chains. Doesn't matter, just has to be multiple of 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll just do 12. I think that's good size. And so for the first step, you want to double crochet in the second chain from the hook. Remember, this hook or loop on our needle doesn't count as anything. We're going to skip this one and go into the second one. So double crochet into the second chain from your hook. And now we're going to chain 1. And we're going to skip this next chain. We're going to just jump right over it and go into the next one and do another double crochet. And again, chain 1, skip your next chain and go into the next one. And we're just going to repeat this all the way down to the end of the row. And you can already see the first row of boxes of our mesh stitch forming here. Chain 1, skip 1, and this is our last stitch. We're going to go ahead and pop another double crochet right in there. So that is how you do row 1. Kind of stretch it out here. So it doesn't look like much yet, but you can definitely see the design. And now this is what I was talking about with your stacked single crochet. You don't have to do the stacked single crochet. You can just do a chain 3 and turn your work if you like that. I like to do the stacked single crochet. I've been doing it more here lately just because I feel like it gives more sturdiness to your project, if you will. So to do the stacked single crochet, if you don't know how, let me get my yarn back on my needle or hook there. Go ahead and flip your work and don't chain 1, because normally you'd chain 1 or something, but I don't chain 1. I go right into the top underneath both bars of the stitch that I just came out of, drop a loop, single crochet. And now normally a lot of times you'll see with the stacked single crochet, you'll see just them doing 2 of them. With this, because you need that chain 1 to go over here, I'm going to do it 3 times. So that was 1. Now you have these 2 bars. You have this one and this one. I'm going to go into the one on the left, grab my yarn, drop a loop. So I have 2 on my hook, yarn over and pull through both. Now we're going to do that one more time. So you have this bar that we just came out of and this one over here. I'm going to go into the one on the left, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. Or, I'm sorry, 2, 3. Pardon me, guys. 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through both. And so now we have 3 stacked single crochets. And the reason I did 3, like I said, is I needed the 2 to get to the height of my double crochet, because this will be considered a double crochet. It'll take the place of. But then I needed to have that extra chain. You could also, and I don't think it looks too bad really to do it this way, once you do your 2 stacked, you could just do a chain and then go about your pattern. So either way, we'll go ahead and do that this time. But so you do that there. You're going to skip over this chain 1 space, and we're going to be working right into the tops of our double crochet. So, and I'll give you guys a little tip or trick here that I like to do. So a lot of times when you're double crocheting on top of double crochets, you'll go under both loops here and you'll do your double crochet. But see how it sort of sits off center? It's not lined up exactly straight. So this is something I actually saw in another YouTube video that I thought was really cool, and it's helped me a lot. You see this bar that runs right here? We're actually going to go under that. So we're going under both loops and this little sort of cattywampus sideways bar. I don't know what you want to call it. So let's just double crochet into that, yarn over into this hole here underneath that bar, and double crochet. And see how much straighter that is? It sits right on top. That is so cool. And then we're going to chain 1, skip 1, double crochet on top of the next one. Again, going under that little bar there. Chain 1. Whoop, my ball's running away. I have my cat jumping over here on the table in a minute if I'm not careful. She'll see that ball of yarn running and she'll be after it. Chain 1, skip over this and go right on top of this double crochet. Chain 1. And now we're at the end, so this can sometimes get tricky, but if you turn your work towards you, that is the chain 1 space right here. So we're actually going to work right on top of this loop here. So you're going to skip over this chain 1 because that's part of your chain 1. And just go right in on top of this and pick up, as much loops as you can. The first one, it's going to look kind of wonky, I guess is a good word to use. And that's row 2. And that's how you do the double crochet mesh stitch. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and you guys can follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and my Facebook page. You can find me under Boho Stitchery. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.